Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a new light that we're going to be using for the video. We got another guess what's in the bag video. I got this from eBay. Should be for the limited 4Runner. We're going to take measurements, go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna just do a quick guess what's in the bag video. This is actually a large, looks like 50-gallon trash bag, which is fine. This is a item for the 2000 limited 4Runner. I did get this from a Toyota dealer. This is, I picked this up on eBay. Lots of people sell on eBay now, including dealerships. This is from Treasure Coast Toyota of Stuart, Florida. I also got a new light sitting here. This is we're going to be testing this light out for a little while. It is a videography light. See how well it holds up. Got it today. Should actually see the video on it before this. But we're going to take a measurement of this real quick. I'm pretty sure this is probably mats, OEM Toyota mats. But what are your guys' guesses? So this is 14 inches wide. It is 21.5 inches long, and it is pretty close to 3.5, almost 4 inches, so 3 3/4 inch deep. You guys let me know what your guys' guesses are down below. The light seems to be working out pretty well. I have it on 6500 Kelvin at the moment. Nice bluish light. Makes things like this a little bit easier to see. It also saves, if I turn this one off, saves the battery on the little light that's attached to the camera, which I usually use for in dark situations or the intros to bring a little bit more light to me. What do you guys think it is though? I think it's the mats that I ordered, the genuine Toyota mats for the front and rear. Still looking for a cargo mat and a cargo cover in the oak brown, which is a mocha color of chocolate. But that's all I got for you guys today. We'll take it out of the package in the next video. Just a quick little guess what's in the box / bag video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!